What's up, guys? Back to another video. As you can see, we're at the boat show. Boat show! And there's some pretty nice boats here. I know. He's so cute! Hey, buddy. He was so cute! Okay, so yeah, we're at the Raleigh Convention Center boat show. We just left White Lakes set up back that way. So back over here. Well, that red flag is. What red flag is right here? That's where the White Lake is. Alright, Lake Marine's part, so we'll back to you next time I get on the boat. Fly bridge. La, la, la. Okay, so there's some big boats. I mean, like, big. Hold on. What is this world? Big boat. What in the world? Okay, guys, so I'm with the video here. I hope you enjoyed, and please tell me if you were here at this boat show and you think you saw me. I'm wearing this Adidas hat. I'm wearing this Adidas hat and this Duck Commander. So, if you were here today and you saw me, say I saw you at the boat show. I'll see you guys later.